that perfect circular hole. On the assembly line, they had a jig. These chassis were lifted by a hoist and dropped on pins. So when this thing was dropped, it was probably dropped upside down. That thing would guide it.
Yeah.
And all the measurements were there because it was an assembly line. So when you dropped it, it wasn't, oh, it's awful. There was no off. It was dropped, blink, and the guy just sat there and welded.
Yeah.
So when he came down and that was on the assembly line, there was a measurement or a stick that dropped exactly where that went. Because they knew from there to there was a 27 and 3.5 or whatever it was in the paper.
That one's,
That's why I always ask, where are they measuring from?
Yeah.
Because
From
this
the center.
was the guide hole on the assembly line. They didn't take a ruler.
Yeah.
The guide holes were there. And if you look at Graveyard Cars, he does it on the unibodies.
Yeah.
Those holes are also there. They go up and they grab the unibody in a measurement. Oh, we put the fender and put this. That measurement was set. There wasn't, oh, the guy did it wrong. What did it wrong? It's here it is, you put it on, you bolt it in. The assembly line did that perfectly. So when they figured out the jig, that was all the work.
Yeah.
And then they anchored it all down, and then they ran, okay, these are Corvette chassis.
Yeah.
This is the measurement. Now we have Impala chassis. This is the measurement. But whenever you see that, these are a frame of reference. So now if you look at this hole, you could tell it was out. See that this hole is messed up?
Yeah.
This hole is perfect.
That is perfect. Yeah.
That hole, we use this as a reference going through. But I need this hole.
In the front.
Right
We're gonna
here.
go from the engine.
Because if you look,
that's where it's.
they're catching the front hole
Yeah.
and the back hole. And
Oh,
it's
yeah.
passing
All the
through
way.
all this.
you know
So
the back
technically,
subsection.
I need, there's another hole back there.
We can get to it, to be honest with you. We can.
Yeah, I see it.
Because we can pull those panels off and use them.
No, I don't think it's good though. Hang on.
Not that bad. They say the one underneath them should be directly in the center, right?
Oh, yeah, the one in the middle is the guide hole.
Yeah.
Fuck.
I can loop.
No, because then you
I
gotta
don't
move.
think
You
we
gotta
need
move the front too.
Let's say
forward.
we just loop in. Because actually I can reach the front. Do you want to do the whole way? Because I can reach it.
I'm
I can
wondering
reach
if
it.
the front.
I'd say we put it in the big
No,
hole.
because isn't this
right?
this is dead on. This is not though. It doesn't look like this is dead on.
Yeah, you didn't put the lines in. You see? I guess that means that this is where they really measured it from.
Right, that's the cross line.
Yeah,
Right,
it's
it's
a
back
cross
here
line.
and back here. Because that was the jig hole.
Mm-hmm.
When it went in, that was the crosshair.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. So that's how you're reading it is exactly it. Maybe I can just hold it and then you go across.
We could honestly put it in. You want to just do at least front to middle section?
we
or you wanna
have-
go straight? Because we can go. I'll
Yeah.
grab them.
Do we have bricks?
No, I think we
A
can.
brick? No, I'm gonna wrap it around a brick and bring the line across so we can measure it. So it's the. Okay. Give me that bad boy.
Do you want to wrap?
Yeah, I just gotta get in position. That's what I was saying about all of this, because all of this makes it harder
our
now.
life harder.
Yeah, it makes it harder now for this. So just wrap this bad boy a couple times so it doesn't fuck up. Okay. Yeah, you know this. Oh, that.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's good enough.
Okay. Hang on. Now go pull it, because I got to get you within reason of the middle. Now, I think you could drop that bad boy over that, or no, is the fuel tank thing there?
No, I can. This is. I'm almost the center on center. The back.
The back hole?
Yeah. So I limit. That's me holding it center on center.
Hang
The
on.
back.
All right, hang on. Why do I feel like you're pulling it? No, man.
Oh
you're
yeah,
dead
no,
on.
I'm going.
No, but it looks like it's
But
off.
no, I'm dead on. It looks like you're off in the front. Go to the right.
Yeah.
A little more. That's a little too much there. I think that's.
Okay.
That's
Give me
pretty-
a pull.
Yeah, that's pretty spot on.
You are?
I like it. It looks good to me.
It looks pretty good, man. Okay, hang thing.
Oh, you know what's funny? And yeah, it kind of looks like it just hits this on the side.
Yeah. So that's why I didn't trust it. That's why I was looking where it was, and you're right.
Crosshair.
I'm looking at the crosshair and it wasn't there.
Yeah.
I said, what the f? It's offset. See, that's the tranny mount.
Yeah. This doesn't determine the true. Oh,
I
sorry.
don't want that. No, it's awful metal. Okay, what am I doing?
So 20. Oh, yeah, we want to measure it out.
And 3/16.
Yeah. I'll keep tension on the line. So you can.
Yep. Okay, man. Do you have a ruler, another ruler, or no?
I do. It's just inside.
No problem. Well, I think I can have a 16. And we have to be anal because
Well, measure thrice, cut once.
you want the body to
Yeah.
fit, right? Because we did this with the Impala too. So
All the measurements paid off in the Impala.
am I on the rope?
Yeah, you're right there. Yeah, you're just resting up against it. You can push it against if you need help.
Right there. 1, 2, 3. That looks
Dead
good.
on.
That is it right there. That's the mount.
Yeah.
It was actually, we were off a little bit.
Yeah.
It went in more, so you don't have to
Yeah.
worry about it falling off.
Because that's what.
Hang on. All right, like you stay.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay, we'll get this side, and then we'll be good to go. Now, we didn't do this to your mounts, but I think you were pretty dead on putting it over.
That's why I just kind of went in the same general area. Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Because it was really outlined with the rusted away portion.
Am I on the rope?
Yeah.
Let me get my
Give it a
elbow
little
set.
tension, yeah,
Let me
there
get
you
my
go.
elbow set. Yep.
Yeah,
Am I there?
That's it.
Is it good like that or no?
I like it. You're resting up against it.
Okay. This is a bad one because this it was totally new.
Yeah.
That looks
I
good
think
though,
it's good
man.
though.
Yeah. It looks
That's
just
really where it
in.
is, right inside the kick panel.
Yeah, it looks just in of that one.
And truth to be honest, we actually have we can do whatever we want in the kick panel area because it all gets covered. And to be honest,
And that hole,
we could put a plate. Yeah.
fully the hole
Yeah.
goes around. Okay.
It literally. We
So,
have forgiven.
do you want
Very good.
to do something with this, or we're just gonna weld this
Oh,
over the hole?
Here, do you want to mark, since that's primered, do you want to mark this while I'm here?
What?
You send the thing here, or how do you,
That's what I was
how
gonna
can
say.
we reach them?
But honestly, I think we just go by the hole.
Yeah.
Hang
Just
on.
put him in the
Let
center.
me just see what this
Just
is.
put him in the center of that hole, right? Because it still exists.
26.5.
Right. It's a 16th off from the one of the kick panels.
If you can
I got
get
you.
up to the rope. Hang on. Okay. Tell me when.
Okay.
So this I don't like. This marker sucks.
What? That's the Milwaukee one. It's supposed to be
I
good.
think it's drying out. Are you there?
Yeah. Right up against it.
Tell me when.
Just gotta pull a little more.
No,
Okay.
you way out.
Am I?
It was where it was, yeah.
Okay.
So something I don't like here. Let me just check my measurements. It's just, it's oh
What
shit.
is it from 26.5?
It's off. 20 center line, 26.5. I don't like it. That's all. Okay,
Yeah,
let's
check
see.
it in.
I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. Fucking dead on.
Really?
Fucking dead on.
So that was 26.
Right there.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's off a little, I think. So it's,
mean, it
it's
moves,
out a
so-
little more, but it moves in. So if I
Yeah.
take this and move it in,
Yeah, it's just our center on center.
right there,
Yeah.
yeah, and no, it's in more. It needs to go out more, the same as that.
Uh-huh.
You're in the hole,
Well, this one honestly is weird because this one's in the wheel well, so this one's also easy.
but
Yeah.
you're in the
I'm
hole.
still center, yeah, I've been checking. I'm still on the center. So what is it? It's
26.5, but it seems it's too
It's
far
shy.
in. It needs to go out, and this one looks
But
the
it
same
doesn't,
way.
yeah, it doesn't matter though. Because the way this body mount is, it should be fine.
Are we using that body mount for this, because they actually sell this one, it costs more.
Yeah. I was
This
just gonna use
this
that.
mount costs
How much
double the
does it?
price because it has this plate. You see
Should
the
I
extra
get it?
plate?
Well, honestly, it doesn't do much. It's literally behind you where you sit. It's kind of useless.
The only reason
I'll
why
get the
is
same one.
see this is a guide. See it holds
Yeah.
the chassis here. So, but
Oh,
this
I'll
is the
get the
same.
same
But
one.
why is it like that? Okay, I don't understand. All right. Well, I have the measurement right, so you could let it go.
Okay.
I'll show you this. This.
So we got
To me,
26
this
and a
is shy.
half.
See where the split of the chassis is?
Mm-hmm.
It's in this. It's in the split. This is showing it's out of the split. That makes
Ah.
sense. 26 and a half. You were in that hole, right?
Yeah, right center on center
We were
in
in
the
this hole.
crosshairs.
Just a little bit. These
Just a
I
little
like.
bit off.
I think I'm going to leave these.
That's pretty.
Now this would technically fit. It will be a little tight, but it's not 26. I would say, if anything, it's just shy of 27.
Oh wow, so it's a bit.
So where is this? Did we do that right? We came down here. Yeah, this measurement only comes from this. That's where this measurement, there's nothing else to check it against.
Yeah.
See, we can't check this against anything.
Yeah.
The only thing we could check is this to here is 69 and 3/16. You put this in front over there.
Yep.
Hold it right there. Yeah, that's dead on, man. That is dead on. Yep, that thing is dead on, man. And it's like right there.
Yeah.
I
That's
can
good.
see it. It's right there. This I don't like. It's the same as the other side. See, it's just in.
Yeah.
I think it needs to be out.
Yeah. But it's where it is, because it's like right in front of the wheel back there. So it's like it's a very like you have.
Oh, it's not through the car.
No, you have to. There's an access panel with 4 bolts. You have to do it right here. It's actually kind of stupid, but that's why honestly. So I guess the further out it is, right?
But if you look
it's
at it,
actually
right?
better because
But
it's
if
easier
you look
for us
at
to
it,
access.
we have to drill this because the cross point is going to be right here. So that's what I was
this
saying.
is the edge. Oh no, this is center on center. That can't be
Right.
right.
So this is the hole.
No, that can't.
Now that's the same way. I'm pushing that bolt all the way over.
No,
It's wrong.
No, we just have to lay it over here.
But I would still clean this.
Mhm.
Clean this out a little bit, being that it's open.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would clean this